into a little bit of knee flexion. All right. Now, you want to use the heel lace pad, but you only need to use a part of the heel lace pad, so you can share with someone else in the vicinity. You want to put that heel lace pad in the popliteal fossa so that it doesn't give her a blister. You're going to take all of you that have pants on, everyone have shorts? Because you need shorts in order to do this today. Okay? So, what you're going to do is put your pre-wrap on. Again, I don't care if you start at the thigh or the calf. It does not really matter to me. But you're going to come down, secure that heel lace pad to about mid-calf. So mid-thigh to mid-calf. Then I'm going to anchor the pre-wrap down. So one at the thigh, again halfway on the skin. And one at the calf. In fact, let's do two. Be better. So two anchors. Two proximal, two distal. Now, this tape is called Elasticon. Pretty tough tape. Okay, the nice thing is though, it also stretches. So when I'm trying to prevent someone from going through hyperextension, I'm going to use this type of tape. Now, what you're going to do is create a fan in the back of her leg. So you want to start, I don't care whether it's the medial side of the thigh and lateral to medial, or you start medial to lateral. I don't care, but you are going down, okay, from thigh across the knee joint. And you can use scissors. Very hard to tear Elasticon. So this is the only time you're allowed to use scissors if you get this on your practical. Okay? Now I want to tug a little bit. And try not getting any wrinkles. All right? Now, if it's coming off, you can secure it down with an anchor. If it's not, just go the other way. So now I'm going to start on the medial side, and I'm going to come across the knee joint again, creating an X across the back of the knee to the lateral side of the calf. Okay? Now, you should be tugging on this tape a little bit. Again, what's the purpose if you're just laying strips down just to lay them down? We're trying to prevent her, and I will test your knee of your subject. If I can get them all the way into extension, you're going to fail that test. Okay? So, make sure you're pulling on those strips. And then you're going to put one down the center. So when I'm saying pulling, what you need to do is stop a little short of that distal anchor, and then I'm going to pull on the strip of tape. Understand? Now, if for some reason that's not stopping her from getting into extension, then I'm going to do it again. All right, and for someone who has a bigger knee, you probably are going to have to do this twice, all right, to create that fan, because you pretty much want the entire popliteal fossa to be covered. Does that make sense? Okay, so just depending on the knee that you're dealing with, all right, and how much you want to limit them. So just creating a broader fan across the back of the knee will help them from going into hyperextension. All right, now I'm going to go ahead. Again, you can secure after each strip or wait till all three are on and secure them down. Now, for extra measures, I take this tape. This is 3-inch. I might have still some 2-inch. That looks a little bit different, but this is flex tape. it's the white tape that's stretchy. Okay, this is just for the hyperextended part. This is to cover it. Now, what you want to do with this flex tape is it just gives a little bit more support and it just covers loose ends. So I'm going to start at the top. Okay, I'm going to cover all my loose ends that I have. Helping to secure that tape down. About an inch from the knee, I'm going to tear it. You do not want to go across the knee joint with tape. Okay, again, too many blisters can occur, too much tightness can occur. Stay away from the joint. So about an inch above the joint, I'm going to stop, and I'm going to restart about an inch below the joint. And again, anytime you're using stretchy, elastic type tape, you should not have any wrinkles. It's pretty easy to use without wrinkles. Once I cover everything on the calf, tear that. Now, anytime you use flex tape, it doesn't adhere the best. So if I left it like that, what's going to happen is it's going to start rolling and it possibly come off. So always secure it with a couple strips of white tape. I just secure it like this. That's it. Okay, go ahead and let's see. Relax. Okay, I'm just gonna try to hyperextend you. Okay, so she's limited. Really hard to get her into extension, let alone hyperextension. All right, step down, walk around, see how it feels. Any questions on hyperextension?